Upgrading your kitchen shouldn't mean overhauling your entire countertop or dealing with a confusing, tech-heavy interface. If you're looking to ditch gas or replace an aging electric stove, this 30-inch built-in ceramic cooktop is one of the most straightforward options I've tested recently. It solves the two biggest headaches in the kitchen: cleaning up after a messy meal and managing inconsistent heat. Because it's a smooth, glass ceramic surface, you aren't scrubbing iron grates or trying to reach into tight corners. When you're done, one wipe with a damp cloth and it's basically brand new. The 6,700 watts of power gives you plenty of heat. The real benefit here is the dual ring burner. You can keep it on a lower setting for a small saucepan, or expand it when you're using a larger stock pot. It heats up quickly, and the timer feature is actually useful. It's great for when you're simmering rice and don't want to watch the clock like a hawk. The safety lock is another small but smart touch, especially if you have pets or kids who like to explore. It keeps the controls from being bumped accidentally. What I like is the simplicity. It doesn't try to be a smart appliance with Wi-Fi or complicated menus. You have physical knobs, which I honestly prefer over touch controls that glitch out if your hands are wet. However, keep in mind that this requires a 220V, 240V hardwired connection. You'll need a professional to install it if you aren't comfortable working with heavy-duty electrical wiring. Also, since it's glass ceramic, you need to use flat-bottomed pans to get the most efficiency out of it. Thin, warped pans just won't cut it here. So, who is this for? It's perfect if you're renovating a kitchen on a budget or swapping out an old unit and want something reliable that just works. If you're looking for high-end induction features or induction-level speed, you'll want to look at something else. Is it worth the money? If you value a clean look and simple, manual controls over fancy features you'll never use, then yes, this is a solid, practical choice. It does exactly what it says on the box without any fuss. If this looks like the right fit for you, I've left the Amazon link in the description.